Today we're going to go ahead and replace the boost pressure sensor here in this 2012 Chevy Cruze with a 1.4 liter turbocharged engine. So you can see we've got the ductwork here coming into the engine as it leaves the intercooler. Of course, after it goes through the turbo, it goes to the intercooler. Now the ductwork leading into the intake. And we've got our boost pressure sensor here located in the ductwork. So we're going to go ahead and replace it. We actually installed a new turbo on this car. It's just good practice to replace the recording sensors along with it. So I'm just going to pinch the wiring right here, disconnect the electrical connector. I will now take my T20 Torx bit and I'm going to remove the one hold down screw here. I'll give the sensor just a little twist, get it up out of the ductwork there. And similarly, we'll make sure the surfaces are clean here. We don't want any debris falling in there. But then I will take my new sensor, gently apply a little bit of pressure, kind of pop down in there. I'm going to tighten the bolt. And then I will reconnect my electrical connector here. And just like that, we're all set. We've gone ahead and replaced the boost pressure sensor on this 2012 Chevy Cruze with a 1.4 liter turbocharged engine. Now, the only thing left is really to clear any trouble codes that may have been set previously with the old sensor and the old turbo. We want to verify the correct operation.